Now this is I have obtained from your first aid. You can see this is high yield part of your fatty acid synthesis and fatty acid breakdown. So you can see that these are opposite process. Fatty acid synthesis and fatty acid breakdown, they are opposite process. So what happens in fatty acid synthesis? This is you here also it is shown an uphill line. So though the writer did not mean uphill, but it is uphill here. So this is good for me. Now you can see the citrate, from citrate actually citrate come out of the mitochondria. Citrate is formed in mitochondria. It will come out of the mitochondria. We will talk about that through citrate shuttle. Here focus is citrate shuttle. Now citrate shuttle, citrate will give through breakdown lyase enzyme will break the citrate, will produce acetyl coenzyme A. This acetyl coenzyme will convert into malonyl coenzyme A. Malonyl coenzyme A polymerize to form palmitic acid. The fatty acid is palmitic acid. So this is simple overview. If you can remember, this is very easy also to remember. You just remember citrate. Citrate come out of the mitochondria, produce acetyl coenzyme, malonyl coenzyme, and fatty acid. Actually, this is a very easy pathway also. And here for synthesis of fatty acid, a very important vitamin is required, that is biotin. So this pathway is very easy to understand. Very simple pathway. Fatty acid synthesis, very simple pathway. Though I will go into detail, I will try to describe in fine detail of this fatty acids pathway. Just remember, this is a very, you have to remember citrate shuttle, acetyl coenzyme A, malonyl, and then fatty acid. That is the process actually. This is the whole process. These are the higher thing about fatty acid synthesis. Now, in fatty acid breakdown, after fatty acid synthesis, we will talk about fatty acid breakdown. Actually, fatty acid synthesis, you can see here in fatty acid synthesis, what happens is this malonyl coenzyme is produced. This fatty acid synthesis inhibits during fed condition. This happens during fed condition. This fatty acid synthesis during fed condition inhibit fatty acid degradation. You can see malonyl coenzyme inhibit this. That is why during fed condition, fatty acids degradation cannot happen, and during fasting condition fatty acid synthesis does not happen. So these two are mutually exclusive process. Okay, these two are mutually exclusive process, fatty acid synthesis and fatty acid breakdown. These two are mutually exclusive process. If one happens, other will not happen. If other happens, one will not happen. So fatty acid synthesis happens, fatty acid degradation will not happen. Fatty acid degradation happens, synthesis will not happen. This is a very important concept. So you have to understand this. Now here you have to understand this. Here's in fatty acid synthesis, citrate shuttle, here carnitine shuttle. Don't worry, we will talk in detail about this. So we are actually reviewing higher thing right in the beginning only, so that you will stay focused. So carnitine shuttle is very important. How carnitine is transported? Here you can see malonyl coenzyme is very important. In fed condition, malonyl coenzyme A ensure, because malonyl coenzyme is formed here. Malonyl coenzyme A ensure this degradation does not happen here. During fasting condition, there are a couple of mechanisms that ensure this fatty acid synthesis does not happen. Very simple. So this fatty acid cross mitochondria, because fatty acid oxidation happens in mitochondria. Fatty acid synthesis happens in cytosol. So you can see these two opposite process has different compartment as well. They don't occur in the same compartment. Cytosol synthesis, as for synthesis you can see, as for cytosol you can remember, synthesis in cytosol. So phonetically they are similar, cytosol and synthesis. Now here mitochondria and oxidation in mitochondria. So remember, oxidation happens in mitochondria. For that purpose, this fatty acid has to travel into mitochondria. This fatty acid travel into mitochondria through carnitine shuttle. Very simple. So opposite process. So these are the very important. So in fatty acid synthesis, see, very few points they have mentioned. Very few points. This happens in liver, lactating this adipose tissue. And then the very important point here mentioned is transport through citrate shuttle. Citrate from mitochondria to cytosol predominantly occurs here. So long chain fatty acid degraded require carnitine. Only long chain fatty acid. We will talk in detail. So carnitine shuttle, they have talked about this carnitine. So they have to go through this mnemonics. There is mnemonics. These are the important condition of that is asked in USMLE, and these are both are condition of fatty acid oxidation. Okay, very high yield fatty acid oxidation. So the disorders are actually related to fatty acid oxidations are more important than fatty acid synthesis. But don't ignore anything. If you don't understand one, you will not understand other. So what does mean focusing? Focusing means repeat many times. It does not mean ignore everything. Focusing means repeat many times. And you have to actually go through all the processes. You have to understand everything. But you have to focus on important thing. If you focus on important thing, repeat it many times. That means focus.